friend of mine asked me, how is the drone on the Leviathan Turbo-Back Exhaust? So I figured we'll go ahead and make a video for him. Cold start. The cat heat cycle, so probably one of the loudest parts of the exhaust piece of it. It's not that loud, but this is with resonators in, by the way. And we're going down to a regular warm idle now. You can see they hear the difference. Sounds like my neighbor's starting up his 700 plus horsepower CTSV. He's the man. Alright, so we're here, ready to get out on the main road. I'll let you guys hear some things. Alright. Okay, cool. So, you can cruise around like 3,000 RPMs, pretty much silent. Around 2,000, there's some drone, if you will, but it's not bad at all. I've done plenty of highway trips on that. You can drop it down to below 2,000. If you're cruising below 2,000, you can hear that super quiet, unobtrusive, not a problem, and makes it real easy to drive that way. So on the highway, you can put it into 8th gear, for instance, and cruise, you know, really unobtrusively. So yeah, between 1,500 and say 2,000 RPMs, 1,800 or so, if you can get down in there, that's really good. If you get, you know, say between 2,500 and 3,000 RPMs for cruising, that's also a good spot to be in. Try and get us up there. There, you hear that? So this is basically what you'd be cruising in sport mode, so not bad at all. Hope that gives you an idea of what it's like to drive this.